David, Meg, that's right. Walter Hurley says he met with DeLand over the weekend, and he says DeLand was ready to face the judge.
I met with him Saturday afternoon.
Walter Hurley is the apostolic administrator of the Diocese of Saginaw. Just a few days ago, he had a conversation with Robert DeLand as he waited to learn his fate in court.
I would say he certainly was accepting of that reality. I mean, that was the agreement that he had made, the plea bargain that had been worked out, and so he was accepting that as a reality.
In March, DeLand pleaded no contest to second-degree criminal sexual conduct, gross indecency between males, and imitation of a controlled substance manufacture and distribution. Before he was sentenced today, he offered the court an apology.
I'm very sorry that the community has gone through all of this and the embarrassment. I'm very, very sorry about that.
Judge Darnell Jackson sentenced DeLand to 2 to 15 years in prison and 5 years probation. DeLand must also register as a sex offender, essentially ending any future he may have had with the church.
The restrictions that are currently placed on him will remain in place permanently, and those restrictions would mean forbidding him from presenting himself as a priest or exercising any kind of public ministry.
Now that DeLand is behind bars, Hurley is hopeful that the healing process can begin.
These months have been very difficult months for everyone, and they've been difficult for victims and for their families and for the whole community as well. And I would just hope that everybody would pray for victims and their families.
Now, in a packed courtroom, Judge Jackson did say that he thought some people would view his sentence as too harsh, others not hard enough. But he did say he put this sentence down based on the facts of the law and nothing else. Reporting live and local here in Saginaw, James Felton, WNEM TV5.